Hey, welcome back to Hidden Classic Deals. I'm John Statham, and today we're checking out classic cars under $8,000. Some may need a little work, but they all have potential. Let's get started.
1965 Studebaker Commander Sedan. There's something special about finding a classic car that still has its original character and can be enjoyed without breaking the bank. This 1965 Studebaker Commander is one of those rare survivors, offered at an affordable $4,200. Located in Louisville, Kentucky, this vintage sedan stands out with its eye-catching purple exterior and black interior, giving it a unique presence wherever it goes. Under the hood is a dependable straight-six engine paired with a desirable 3-speed manual transmission on the column. According to the seller, the car runs and drives without any major issues, making it a great candidate for weekend cruising, local car shows, or a restoration project. With just over 11,000 miles shown on the odometer, it offers plenty of classic charm and nostalgia. Whether you're looking to add another vintage vehicle to your collection or searching for an affordable entry into the classic car hobby, this Studebaker deserves a closer look. Its distinctive styling, solid drivability, and reasonable price make it an interesting opportunity for any enthusiast. 1972 Chevrolet C20. Not every classic truck needs a complete restoration to be enjoyable, and this 1972 Chevrolet C20 proves exactly that. Priced at $6,000 and located in Fostoria, Ohio, this vintage Chevy offers a solid foundation for someone looking for a dependable classic pickup with plenty of potential. Powered by a 350 V8 engine equipped with Vortec heads, the truck reportedly runs great and delivers the kind of performance enthusiasts appreciate. The automatic transmission makes driving easy, while the white exterior paired with a green interior gives it that unmistakable 1970s character. With approximately 82,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title, this truck appears to have been cared for throughout its life. The seller notes that the vehicle will need brake lines and mufflers, making it a straightforward project for someone comfortable with light mechanical work. Being an Ohio truck, it carries the rugged charm expected from a hard-working Chevrolet. Whether you're building a weekend cruiser, shop truck, or classic workhorse, this C20 offers plenty of value and vintage appeal. 1956 Studebaker President. Sometimes, the best classic cars are the ones that wear their age proudly, and this 1956 Studebaker President fits that description perfectly. Located in Dixon, Tennessee, this vintage sedan is available for just $4,500. Making it an affordable way to step into the world of 1950s American automobiles. Finished in blue inside and out, the car maintains a timeless appearance that instantly captures attention. Under the hood is a smooth-running V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the vehicle starts, runs, and drives well, while all lights are fully functional. It also benefits from like-new tires, helping make it road-ready for its next owner. As expected from a classic of this age, there are a few areas that could use attention. Some rust is present, the interior needs work, and the water pump bearing may eventually require replacement. However, these items do not take away from the car's overall appeal. With a clean title and plenty of original character, this Studebaker can be enjoyed as is or gradually improved into a stunning classic cruiser. 1949 DeSoto Project. Every classic car enthusiast knows that some of the most rewarding projects start with a solid foundation, and this 1949 DeSoto could be exactly that opportunity. Priced at only $2,000 and located in Michigan City, Indiana, this vintage project car offers plenty of potential for someone ready to bring an old classic back to life. What makes this DeSoto stand out is that it already runs and moves under its own power around the yard. Under the hood is the dependable flathead 6-cylinder engine paired with the desirable fluid drive transmission system that helped make these cars unique in their era. The seller states that the vehicle comes with a clean Indiana title, which is always a major advantage when tackling a restoration project. This classic will need brake work and should be viewed as a true project vehicle rather than a daily driver. However, for the price, it offers a great starting point for anyone interested in vintage Mopar automobiles. Whether restored to original condition or customized into something unique, this DeSoto presents an affordable way to enter the classic car hobby. 1976 Ford Elite. If you appreciate big American personal luxury cars from the 1970s, this 1976 Ford Elite might be exactly what you've been searching for. Available for $4,800 and located in Dyer, Indiana, this stylish classic combines comfort, originality, and dependable drivability in one attractive package. Powered by a 351 V8 engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, the car reportedly runs, drives, and stops without any problems. The seller mentions taking it on multiple trips over an hour long, showing confidence in its reliability. Finished in blue, the car still retains several desirable factory features, including the original hood ornament, aluminum Elite wheels, and factory rubber floor mats. The paint is not perfect, but it still presents well and complements the car's classic appearance. Aside from some light rust in a few areas, the body remains mostly solid. This Ford is ideal for someone looking for a vintage cruiser that can be enjoyed immediately while making improvements over time. It's a classic that's ready to be driven and appreciated today. 1949 Chrysler Windsor Club Coupe. Some classic cars have a presence that instantly transports you back to another era, and this 1949 Chrysler Windsor Club Coupe certainly delivers that feeling. Offered at $5,500 and located in Itasca, Illinois, this handsome post-war coupe is a rare opportunity for collectors who appreciate distinctive American styling. The seller reports that the vehicle starts, runs, and drives very well, making it more than just a display piece. Equipped with Chrysler's famous fluid drive transmission system, the car offers a unique driving experience that reflects the engineering innovations of its time. Recent brake work has also been completed, helping improve safety and reliability. One of the most attractive aspects of this Windsor is that all of the original chrome and trim pieces are included with the sale. Finding a classic vehicle with its complete trim package can save both time and money during restoration. With a clear title in hand and plenty of vintage character, this Chrysler is ready for its next chapter, whether as a preservation project or a weekend show cruiser. 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS. There are few names in the classic car world that generate excitement quite like the Chevrolet Impala, and this 1964 Impala SS is no exception. Located in Kokomo, Indiana, this iconic American classic offers a fantastic starting point for someone looking to build a powerful muscle-era cruiser. The seller is asking $6,000 for the vehicle. One of the highlights of this project is the included 454 big block engine, providing serious potential for performance enthusiasts. The seller also notes that the frame remains in good condition and has not rusted through, an important consideration when evaluating any restoration candidate from this era. Finished in red, the car still carries the unmistakable styling that made the 1964 Impala one of Chevrolet's most beloved models. While the vehicle will require additional work to reach its full potential, the combination of an SS model, solid frame, and included big block power plant creates an exciting opportunity. Whether restored to factory specifications or transformed into a street machine, This Impala offers endless possibilities for its next owner. 1967 Oldsmobile 98 Regency Sedan. Big, comfortable, and unmistakably American, this 1967 Oldsmobile 98 Regency sedan represents an era when full-size luxury cars ruled the road. Priced at just $3,850 and located in Spring Valley, Illinois, this classic sedan offers plenty of style and value for vintage car enthusiasts. The car features a white exterior complemented by a blue interior, creating a classic color combination that fits the vehicle's elegant design. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it delivers the relaxed driving experience buyers expected from premium American automobiles of the late 1960s. According to the seller, the engine runs well and the vehicle operates properly. The primary issue noted is that it requires some brake work, which is why towing is recommended. Aside from that, the car appears to be a solid candidate for restoration, preservation, or simply bringing back into regular weekend use. With only 2 owners reported and a paid-off status, this Oldsmobile presents an affordable opportunity to own a large luxury sedan from one of General Motors' most respected divisions. 1983 Chevrolet El Camino Conquista. Part car and part pickup truck, the Chevrolet El Camino has always occupied a unique place in automotive history, and this 1983 El Camino Conquista is a great example of why enthusiasts continue to love them. Located in Clinton, Tennessee, this classic utility cruiser is available for $5,500 and offers plenty of character along with everyday usability. Powered by the factory 305 V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, the vehicle reportedly runs and shifts very well. Several upgrades have already been completed, including new LED headlights, new tires, an HEI distributor, an Edelbrock Performer intake, chrome valve covers, and factory rally wheels complete with beauty rings and center caps. Finished in black with a matching black interior, the El Camino has a strong street presence and attracts attention wherever it goes. The seller notes that there is some rust and the paint has imperfections, but nothing structural. With solid glass, dependable mechanicals, and regular use as a driver, this Conquista offers an affordable way to enjoy one of Chevrolet's most distinctive classic vehicles.